Along with the online shopping's booming development, the offline store business bear great pressure. Especially the clothing industry, the competition is even fierce. The pressure to operate an offline clothing store keep on growing day by day. How to pop out on the fierce competition? Cost down and high efficiency becomes a vital action. Pain point 1, changing the merchandise without changing the correct light, it will result in a poor display. Changing correct light with different merchandise will significantly increase the maintenance cost. For clothing shops, the traditional lighting solutions distort the color and texture of garments. It's difficult to attract customers to enter the store and make transactions. To match new lights, lighting fixtures need to be replaced frequently, thus increasing labor costs. Pain point 2, stocking up based on experience, unable to accurately control inventory. The clothing industry launches a large number of new products throughout different seasons. If the stocking process unable to match the correct demand, it will lead to a dead inventory. How to optimize purchase, sales and inventory management. Suffering from insufficient supportive data for decision making. Pain point 3, huge electricity consumption, increasing store expenses. Traditional cloth stores habitually light up the whole store to attract customers, which consume lots of electricity. Long-time high illumination is harmful to the light-sensitive merchandises, it can damage or lower the luxury quality. Caimeta AI lighting, the power of the lighting for cloth brand stores will create a perfect cost reduction and high efficiency solution. Advantage 1, the light automatically adapts to all different colors, once installed, never need to do replacement. Caimeta AI lighting comes with a built-in color recognition system. It can automatically adapt all colors of clothing, enabling merchants to freely replace new products. Once installed, never need to do replacement. In addition, the AI technology automatically senses and recognizes clothing categories and colors, delivering the best light based on different color formulas, highlight the key clothing categories, emerge the color texture of clothing, enhance the display effects of the showcase, increase customer flow and improve the transaction rate. Advantage 2, provide decision-making data for new product launch testing and stock management, accurately controlling inventory. Caimeta AI lighting comes with a built-in data monitoring and analysis system. It can provide inventory decision-making basis for clothing merchants. It can monitor the customer flow throughout the store, helping merchants optimize the display layout of the merchandises. It can also monitor the number of people gathered around an individual product and they dual time in real time. Analyzes the popularity of the product based on the monitoring data. Achieve scientific inventory control and help merchants conduct accurate product popularity testing. Advantage 3, equipped with an automatic energy-saving mode to save on electricity bills. Caimeta AI lighting, with its built-in energy-saving system, helps businesses reduce their electricity costs. Achieve lights on when people approach, showcasing the texture of the products. And lights dim down when people leave, maintaining the store's atmosphere and presentation. For example, a 200 square meter clothing store, annually, it can save at least 50 consumption of electricity. Additionally, it incorporates a full space lighting environment creation subsystem, which matches the best lighting solution for the store. Achieve optimal brightness and color temperature to create a more comfortable lighting environment, increase customer dwell time and improve the transaction rate. Caimeta AI lighting, the light up knowing you. New approaches to cost reduction and efficiency improvement for clothing stores.